Hello students, today I will teach you topic number 3 of chapter 1, programming language. Okay, ready? Now student, tell me, what is language? Language is a medium through which we can talk to each other. That language may be English or Hindi, through which you can give some instruction to each other. Means I can give you some instructions, I can give you some orders, and I can give you some suggestion. Even I can explain you a computer subject. How? With the help of one language, that is English, either Hindi. Okay, so many languages are used in a world, but in India, in our state, mostly two languages are used, Hindi and English. Okay, now tell me how computers does a work. With the help of some programs or software. Through some program or software, computer does some works. Okay, what is program? A program is a set of instructions. Program is a set of instructions given to the computer to do some work. Okay, and what is software? A software is a set of program. Program is a set of instruction, and here the software is a set of program. Okay, that is designed to perform some specific task on the computer. Okay, so through program and software we can operate some work on the computer. Got it? Means computer can understand what you want to say through the program and software. But how computer can understand the program and software? Because that program and software has written in a language, and that language is called programming language. Those languages are used to write a program to give the instruction to the computer for doing some work. That language is called programming language. Is that clear? Now understand it. A programming language is a special type of language that we can use to give instruction to the computer. All the software and programs that run on the computer are developed using one computer language or other computer language. Okay, understand? Now understand our types of programming language. All programming languages can be put into three main categories: machine language, assembly language, high level language. Okay, now what is machine language? The machine language is the elementary language. Elementary means first language or basic language of a computer that consists of binary digit 0 and 1 only. Student, listen carefully what I am going to explain. Okay, computer can understand only machine language. Computer can understand only machine language. Computer cannot understand any other language. Okay, these language, which language? This language, machine language, can be accepted and executed by the computer CPU directly. Okay, if you will write the instruction in the computer in other language, then first you have to convert all the instruction in the form of zeros and 1. Okay, in the sequence of zeros and 1, then computer can understand and execute that instruction. Is that clear? Means machine language is a sequence of 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1, sequence of 0 and 1 digit. So everything you want to write in a computer, you have to write in the sequence of this. Okay, 0 and 1. So machine language is very hard to understand by people. Okay, so only expert can write the instruction in a computer in this language, machine language. Okay, now understand the second one, assembly language. What is assembly language? The assembly language is close to the machine language, but in assembly language, binary operation code means the sequence of 0 and 1 are replaced by the mnemonics. Okay, Now understand what is mnemonics. Mnemonics are like 2 or 3 letter abbreviation. What is abbreviation? The short form of something, like you can use a word abbreviation CPU for central processing unit. You can use abbreviation ALU for arithmetic logic unit. Okay, that is called abbreviation or short form. Okay, a combination of 2 or 3 letters or more. Okay, now example, in machine language, if the code for add, add is the English language, so this language cannot understand by computer till you cannot convert in the form of 0 1. So in the machine language, the code for add operation is 0 0 1 0. Okay, so its equivalent, it means add. This word equivalent in a assembly language is this abbreviation in capital ADD. Okay, add. Since mnemonics are abbreviation or symbol, so again computer cannot understand this language, so we have to convert this mnemonics in a binary form, mean in the sequence of 0 and 1. So look here, they need to translate it or convert it in the machine language. Machine language means in the form of binary digit. Okay, for what? For get executed. Otherwise it will not understand by the CPU if you will not convert mnemonics into the machine language. You have to convert it into the machine language. Okay, who will convert it? Assembler. This job is done by the special software called assembler. This one is done by assembler. Okay, now one question is how you will write the instruction to the computer. If machine language is too hard to understand and you are not able to write, so how you will write the instruction for the computer? The solution is high level language. In this language we can write the instruction for the computer. In high level language we write the instructions for the computer like a English language very easily. Okay, so in detail I will explain you high level language into tomorrow class in next video. Okay, have a good day.